Ingrid Rizzolo, and it's my talk once again. Johnny Depp, American actor and musician, sued his wife, actress Amber Heard, who starred alongside Jason Momoa in Aquaman for defamation of character, and he won. Johnny Depp is a 3 times Oscar-nominated actor, and at one time he was one of the highest paid actors in Hollywood. Well, he sued his wife for claiming she defamed his character in a 2018 Washington Post op-ed where she claimed Depp, famously known for his portrayal of Edward Scissorhands and Jack Sparrow of the Pirates of the Caribbean fame, put on a performance of a lifetime. By the time the hearing was over, the world, inclusive of the jurors, were pro-Johnny. Perhaps it is because of the high-profile nature of the case, but TV cameras were allowed in the court for the 6-week-long trial. As the bizarre spectacle of a trial was broadcast on Prime TV, 2 million viewers logged on, and the court was transformed into a reality TV series that provided 83.9 million hours of entertainment. Performances were then uploaded to YouTube and were especially a constant feature on TikTok by those bearing a torch for Johnny. Depp's team exploited the power of social media to influence public opinion. The world, inclusive of the jury, was made to feel the weight of Johnny's cult following. Johnny's star power enabled the weaponizing of online and social media fora to shape and perhaps skew public discourse in his favor. Taking cues from social media, the world saw Amber Heard as guilty while Johnny Depp came out smelling like a rose. Star power was indeed in Johnny's favor, and because Amber Heard's star does not shine as brightly as Johnny's, her star was eclipsed. The Depp team was determined that even though Amber won in England, she was destined to lose on American soil, and lose she did. The trial itself was a spectacle with an inbuilt contagion factor that tilted otherwise rational people towards easily overlooking the fact that Depp threatened to drown and even burn Amber Heard. It provided a forum for Johnny to make a play for public sympathy. And Johnny gave a stellar performance, and so after his Emmy-winning act, much like at the Emmy Awards ceremony, Johnny thanked his army of TikTokers for, I suppose, giving him the victory. A co-conspirator in this Johnny Depp Amber Heard case was a seemingly misogynistic, skewed justice system. There's no doubt that Johnny Depp abused Amber Heard. A British court had already convicted him of the same. Britain's Sun newspaper had called him wife beater, and Johnny sued the Sun and lost. Does justice change from day to day and from country to country? In America, in 2022, Johnny won, aided and abetted by a court system that was intent on operating as an old boys club. The outcome was like a slap in the face for the Me Too movement. Disappointingly, where the Me Too movement tried to empower female victims of abuse and the rights of women, this case sought to revert to the silencing of the agency of women. On trial was the age-old exploitation of women and gender biases. These authentic issues were ignored as a supposedly impartial institution swooped in to save the standing of the old boys club and the patriarchy. It ensured that misogyny continues to sail on the ship of the judicial system as it committed to the maintenance of male hegemony. The perpetrator does not take responsibility for his behavior. Perpetrators are normally without remorse. Depp claimed he never struck or abused Heard, even though Amber presented credible accounts of domestic violence and abuse. The courts examined hard evidence and the victim's testimony, but it still came down to his word against her word. In the end, justice went with the male. The courts chose to believe Johnny over Amber. This is the reason why abuse cases are underreported, because as an Amber situation, complaints are dismissed or challenged and the victim vilified. The victim shaming that results leaves the victim doubly traumatized. This high-profile case is again a demonstration of how society is primed to discredit the victim and favor the abuser. With a flippancy, they refer to Ms. Heard in terms that discredited her credibility, while upholding Johnny's. Male perpetrators are believed at the expense of female victims. It was a case of silencing the voice of women. So it was ridiculed, and negative comments and memes of the trial surfaced, aimed at besmirching her character. This case uncovered for us the gender disparities endemic to our society. And what is being established here is that political agency is the domain of men, and to which women will not willingly be allowed. Can we allow for this? This is Ingrid Rizzolo, and it has been my talk.